Business owners who are serious about using AI and social media content to get more customers and increase the social media presence of your brand or business, I want to congratulate you in advance because of what is about to happen in your business. You see, content is now the best way to grow a business in 2023, no doubt, and you need to start taking advantage now. Content has personally helped me generate a consistent flow of clients for my business. In the past months, through content, we've gotten over 9,000 followers and over 200 eyeballs to view our business across Instagram and TikTok, which allows us to get over 10 new clients a week and get over 35 new customers in our business every single month. So in order for me not to waste your time, here is how me and my team will help you get the same results in your business. First, we'll take over your business social media accounts and grow it through content advertising. We will use AI-generated content to grow the social media pages of your business, and we'll use a call to action system to shuffle out interested customers from people who are just watching your content. Then we'll use an AI automation software called ManyChat to personally message these interested customers and turn them into paying customers. But if you are not ready to take action, just scroll off because we are in high demand and we only need 10 more clients to add to our portfolio. So if you are ready to transform your business into an automated customer generation machine using content and AI, click the book a call button down below and I'll see you in the call.